Katie Ackerman. Sorry, we had a little technical difficulty, but we are back bringing you the Aggierita from the hotel, A&M Hotel and Conference Center with Madison. Madison, tell our viewers who you are again.
Hi, I'm Madison. I'm from the Texas A&M Hotel and Conference Center. As we did say previously, we are going to make an Aggierita today.
That's great. So Madison was just telling me about how you muddle a lime. So
Yes.
Go back and tell us a little bit more about that.
Sure, absolutely. So one of the tools you can use is the muddler. You can grab these at HEB or Specs or anything like that. It's just a fancy way to basically juice your fruit. So you can grab your clean glassware here, your shaker, and you can cut a lime in half, you can cut it in quarters. A lot of the easier ways to really get the juice out of it is to cut it in quarters here. We're going to do a whole lime here. And that'll give you about an ounce of juice. You can also purchase fresh lime juice from the store if needed, but that'll give you about an ounce of lime juice. This is what we're going to do. Most margaritas do take this much, and all you do is just press down and give it a twist. You can also just squeeze the limes. This is just kind of ensuring that you get all of the juice out of your limes here. So you're just going to...
Now, for all of you who are with us online, if you've got questions, feel free to type those in, and we've got some folks who can type and answer them for you, or let us know. Speak loud.
Alright, so we got our limes muddled here. The next thing we're going to do is measure out our tequila. So you can grab one of these. This is a jigger. You can also measure. You kind of just eyeball it. But to do a correct
If you're not a
amount,
professional like Madison, you might want a jigger.
yes. You can also grab pour spout, a fun bartender trick. If you just count to 8, a 4 is a single and 8 is a double. So if you grab one of these pour spouts, flip the bottle completely upside down, count to 8, and then flip it back. That'll be about a double.
I did not know that.
So now that you know, I'm going to go ahead and do that instead of using the jigger. I kind of prefer using this just from experience. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you
Make
see
sure
how
you
I
add that flourish.
Exactly. Make sure it's pretty. Practice it a little bit. You can grab an empty bottle and put water in it, and put the pour spout on it, and kind of practice so you can show off for your friends when they come over. So we're doing a double of tequila, and then we're going to do 1 ounce of our orange liqueur. We've got Grand Marnier, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4.
And then Grand Marnier is the orange flavor, right?
Yes, it's
okay.
the orange liqueur. Kind of give it a little bit of citrus, and also it's a little bit more alcohol content for a liqueur, so it kind of gives it a little bit more stronger. And then next we're going to add our Razzmatazz. Something you can substitute for Razzmatazz is actual raspberries, so you can muddle it just how we did the limes. You can also maybe add a couple of blueberries, you can add a blackberry, whatever you prefer. To really get that deep maroon, you can do a couple raspberries and then 1 or 2 blueberries and blackberries to kind of give it a deep maroon. But we're going to do about a 1/4 ounce to 1/2 ounce of this, so what we're going to do is just flip it over and then flip it right back. And that'll give it a nice little maroon color there. And then next we're going to do our agave syrup. And we're going to do just 1 ounce of this, so you're just going to fill up the sugar.
If I wanted a little sweeter or a little less sweet, I can try different things, right?
Absolutely. You can add, you know, if your margarita comes out too strong or maybe too tart, something you can add is just a splash of orange juice.
Okay.
If it comes out too tart, you can add just more limes, and that'll make it a little bit more sour. And then next, we're just going to shake it. So make sure when you grab your small shaker cup, you just pop it on, really stab it in there, and then shake it up.
I wish y'all could smell this. It smells really good.
And then a couple ways to remove the top. It is stuck on there. Right now it's releasing a little bit of air, so it should just pop right off. But you can bang the cup a little bit, pull it off. You can bang it against the table. It'll come right off. And then we're going to go ahead and dress our glass. So excuse me, I'm going to grab some ice here.
We did have a question if you can use grapefruit to make a margarita. Can you make grapefruit? We'll ask Madison here in a minute. We do have a lot of great citrus here at the gardens, and this is making me wonder what else I could make a margarita style something with. So could you use grapefruit?
Absolutely. You can use whatever fruit you prefer. The good thing about drinks, margaritas, any kind of cocktail is you can customize it however you want. You can practice at home. I would always start making singles first, so you're not wasting all your alcohol in case it comes out not the best drink. But if you just practice at home, you can add any kind of fruit. You can mix up your fruits. You can add no fruit and just have a classic margarita. Always add a little bit of orange. That'll give it that sweetness. And then you're going to grab your strainer. You can use any kind of strainer that fits your shaker cup, and then pour it right on top.
Oh, that is beautiful.
There you go. And then to garnish it, I did forget to salt the glass, but you can certainly salt your glass. A fun way to dress up your limes is to cut it in half. Make sure you're cutting it long ways and not through the top where the little nubs are. So you're going to cut it in half so you have your nice little circle here. And then you're just going to slice a very thin,
As thin as you can get.
as thin as you can get it. Make it look nice and classy for your guests in the future. And then you're going to slice just a little thing down the middle and garnish.
All right, now I'm going to have to take a sample of this.
Absolutely. Would
So,
you like a straw here?
you know, I would like a straw. That would be
We
more
do have our
elegant.
sustainable straws. We do have paper straws and then not plastic straws.
Outstanding. Well, we love sustainability here at the Gardens. Now, show us how you would actually salt the rim if I like salt.
Absolutely. So using your lime that you just cut, so I'm going to
Yes.
just slice this one. You can use it, cut the lime however you prefer. I'm just going to make a little sliver here.
Oh, okay.
A lot of fancy ways you can do it. You can put like a towel or one of those moist pads that bars have and put some actual like sweetened lime juice on it. Another way, without having to purchase all of that, is just get a lime and just take it all the way around your glass.
Okay.
And then you're just gonna grab just a regular plate, put some kosher salt on it. Kosher salt is a little bit thicker. You don't want to use just table salt. So kosher salt will get it nice and sticky, and then you have your salted glass.
Okay.
And
And,
then
so then I get a little hit of lime too when I taste it. That's
Absolutely.
great.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
How do you like it?
Well, it's my favorite margarita I've had today. And I'm going to be drinking it a lot more often because, I mean, look at that Aggie Maroon. So if you're having a ring party, if you are going to be celebrating Cinco de Mayo with us next week, the Aggierita from the A&M Hotel and Conference Center is definitely one that I would recommend.
Absolutely.
So, do we have any other questions or comments from out there?
Lisa would like your job, Taster Katie. She's loving
It's pretty
that.
tough, I'm not going to lie.
Somebody's got to do it. We've had lots of just howdies and whoops, and people are excited to try the Aggierita this weekend.
Outstanding. Well, if you look on the Gardens website, which is gardens.tamu.edu, or any of our social media, or the A&M Hotel and Conference Center social media, we have the ingredients list, and we also have the recipe to make the Aggierita right on there. And Madison has done a great job of showing us how to make an Aggierita, some options that we might have. It's really delicious, so I strongly encourage all of you to give a try. I never would have thought to use raspberries and blueberries to make a lemon, or to make that maroon color, which also makes me think, could we just do this if we didn't want an alcoholic version? Could we use that same kind of combination to maybe like put it in a lemonade?
Absolutely. Absolutely. You can put it in club soda. Just don't forget, do not shake if it's carbonated. So I've seen a lot of people make those mistakes, but just it's really, really nice if you muddle up some raspberries, blueberries, any kind of fruit, and then drop it in some club soda. It's really nice.
Oh, that sounds super refreshing on
It
like
is
a nice
very.
warm day. So
Yes.
awesome. Or if you have kids and you want to share with like a lemonade or other kinds of things. maybe?
Absolutely, yeah. You can make it for kids. You can make just a strawberry lemonade. That's one of my favorites. But yeah, you can use it, make any kind of drink, and don't be afraid to get creative.
We did have one more question from Lisa. She wanted to know if you ever used Saint Germain in your margaritas.
I haven't. Saint Germain is a gin, correct? That's what I'm.
It's an elderflower liqueur, says our off-camera expert. So
Okay. Okay. I haven't. I'm not sure what.
sweet.
Sweet. Okay. So what I would do if you were using a Saint Germain liqueur, I would still do a half and half with the Grand Marnier, just to kind of, especially if you're making a margarita, you want that kind of like orange texture. Since it is sweet, I would probably use it with gin. You could use make like a gin martini with it. I would still use limes to kind of match that tartness with it if it's really sweet. So you do the same thing that we did here. You'll want to shake it with ice in it, still strain it so that'll chill it. Use a chilled martini glass so that your drink is already chilled because you don't want to add ice to a martini. Shaking it with the ice does chill the drink, but it also waters it down a little bit. So if you're using your martini glass to measure it, kind of leave a little bit of space. But I think the elderflower would be a great addition to that martini.
Someone asked if we were going to be doing mojitos in the future.
Yes, so be sure every Friday starting now through June, we're going to be having at 4 o'clock our virtual Botanical bartending series out here at the Gardens with different partners like the great A&M Hotel and Conference Center every week. Next Friday, we are making mojitos with Ashley and Company, and we're pretty excited about that. That'll be a light, refreshing something to get us started into the spring. We hope that you will join us every Friday, and if you missed it now, you'll be able to watch it on the live replay. Madison, we know that right now, during this time, we can't yet go back to Block T, but what's your plans for the future?
So right now we do have suspended services for the Texas A&M Hotel and Conference Center. As of right now, the plan is to open up the first week of June. We do not have an exact date for a Block T Bar and Grill, but if you follow us on our social media and look at our website, we promise to keep you in the loop and keep you updated. Something just to kind of keep on your mind, if you do want to try the Aggierita, if you are an Aggie parent, you can certainly visit our website and join our Parents Club. It's free, and then if you do show your bartender when you come to Block T Bar, you will get a free Aggierita when you're moving your kid in or coming for a football game. It's super fun and crazy on football weekends. We would love for you to come enjoy it and get a free Aggierita on us.
Awesome. Well, I strongly recommend that if you haven't tried an Aggierita, that you do. Right now, you can make it at home thanks to Madison's great tutorial, or very soon we hope that you can come back to campus and try it at the Block T Bar and Grill yourself. Right here from the Leach Teaching Gardens, thank you so much for joining us for our very first Botanical cocktail hour. Cheers!